Here is a description of frieze board separation as an indicator of potential foundation issues in a home. The frieze board is a horizontal trim board that runs just below the roofline on the exterior of a house, usually above the top row of siding. Over time, if the foundation of a home begins to settle or shift unevenly, it can cause stress and movement in the walls and structure above. One sign of this is separation appearing between the frieze board and the wall surface, or trim pieces above the windows. As the walls move even slightly due to foundation problems, gaps can develop. Frieze board separation is typically not a major issue itself, but it serves as a warning sign that stresses are acting on the walls from below. It indicates the foundation may no longer be adequately supporting the structure above. In severe cases of foundation failure, frieze boards may pull completely away from the house or crack. This suggests significant settlement has occurred. Homeowners should monitor any frieze board gaps that appear and have the foundation professionally evaluated if separations progress or structural cracks develop elsewhere. Early foundation repair is usually less expensive than waiting for more serious damage to manifest above grade. Frieze board issues are 1Q repair may be needed.